Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be making our Node.js APIs using Express framework. So let's get started. So to make APIs, first we need to have Node installed in our system. So we can, since I'm using Windows, we can go to nodejs.org and download Node.js in our current system. I'll be downloading this LTS, long-term support. We all should download long-term support version. You click on this, it downloads an MSI file. It will get downloaded, and you have just follow the simple steps to get the node downloaded. Once you have downloaded the node, you can check the version of the node which you have installed. Go to cmd, type node -v, and see. Yeah, I'm using 8.11.13 version. Okay, so to make node APIs, we'll be using Express. So we'll be using Express because it reduces a lot of boilerplate code. So I'll show you an example. Let's go to about. Let's go to docs of Node.js, and let's say Node 8.x version. And if I go to HTTPS, and then you come here and see, this is the code that we need to. This is the code we need, to do the API things. All this code, well, different codes to create server in Node.js. And if you go to express.js, getting started, and say, let's say hello world. So see, it reduces such boilerplate code to a very great extent. So we'll be using Express. And so let's get started. I'll be using Visual Studio Code Editor to do the things, sort my stuff out. So here we go. So to start a node product, we'll be using first we need to create a node project. So I'll be using the integrated terminal Visual Studio Code. You can use CMD or anything. On Mac, you can use this on terminal. So I'll be opening up terminal. To start with the node project, first we need to create a package.json, which contains all the list of dependencies and act as metadata for our project. So let's start with npm init. This is the command to initialize our project. So, okay, here we go. So package name node API, I'll say hello world. That would be fine. You can give any package name to whatever you want. Version 1.0.0 means it's ready for deployment. Since it's not ready for deployment, we'll give a version lesser than 1. Description, a simple node API. Node API. Entry point, I'll usually have app.js as my entry point. Test command, nothing. Get repository, nothing. Keywords, let's leave it for now. License, I say, is this okay? Yeah, of course it's okay. So you see this creates a packer.json in here. So yeah, it contains all the metadata for our file, and we'll see more how we start. Now let's create a file app.js. Now to use Express, we need to require Express in our package. How do we require Express? We say const express equals to require Express. Since Express is a package, we need to install Express in our code also. To install Express, any package, we run command npm install and the name of the package, which is Express. So you can see also on the Express website. I'll just show you. See, npm install --c. So why do we use --c? For Node 8. For Node 8.x version, it was mandatory to use -c to to show that our dependency shows here. But now it's not necessary. But we'll go with the flow and do -c. So it will take some time to install the Express. And okay. Yeah, it installed the Express package. So you can see in package -.json, we have a dependency on Express. Now you see another file created, which is package log.json. So what is package log.json? Our app depends on Express. So we have in package.json Express thing, but Express depends on a lot of dependency. So if I say control, let's kill this for the time being, and I say Express. So in package -log.json, we know Express depends on a lot of packages. So they are listed here. It requires this. Even in node modules, if you see, there are a number of packages installed. So package -log.json, it creates dependencies on which our project requires. Like our project depends on Express, and on what Express depends, that is integrated in package-log.json. So let's get started. We have acquired Express. Now we do const app equals to Express. This is standard. You can use var, let, whatever. I won't say using let, but yeah, of course var. But I use f. Now to start our server, we just have to write simple command app.listen, and now we have to give the port number. I'll usually do 3000. We have a callback function here. And what is callback? If you don't know callback, I'll recommend going to this website, JavaScript info and callback. This is the best JavaScript website you can practice on. I mean, it has great tutorials written by a number of people and definitely the best on the internet. So let's get back to it. Console.log. Server is running at 4000, 3000. So now if someone visits our localhost, or I'll say website, so what we'll do, app.get, you must have learned about get, post, put, request. So app.get, when someone visits, slash means that someone is requesting our whole web. Slash means the home page. So we'll have again a callback function, and in this I'm using ECMA 2015 script, and this is ES6 syntax. So whatever you use, I'm just showing with both. So now we'll say response.send. Hello user, welcome to our home page. Okay, that's fine. So now let's get started. Now let's run our server. To run our server, we'll be using Node and the name of the file, which is app.js. So server is running at port 3000. Let's go to port number 3000. I'll just go over there and say localhost /3000. Hello user, welcome to our home page. So now we have created our first API, and we'll see how simple is it. We can modularize the code. We can say const port equal to 3000 and use port here, and it will again do the same thing. Let's say again we have to restart a server. Server is running at port 3000, and say voila, we get the same result. So it's done. So that's it for now, and in later stages we'll be making RESTful API. So stay tuned to this channel, and please subscribe and like and share. Thanks.